Hi, welcome back to From My Tiny Kitchen. Watch the step-by-step video and learn how to make this gorgeously decadent Ferrero Rocher drip cake. The recipe is in the description. Start by sieving your dry ingredients. Using a whisk, mix the dry ingredients. This helps to distribute them. Keep aside for later. Now for the wet ingredients, add everything into a medium mixing bowl except for the hot water. Mix until smooth. Now gradually add in the hot water. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix until you have a smooth batter. Pour into two 8-inch prepared baking tins. Bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes or until an inserted skewer comes out clean. Remember, the recipe for the icing is in the description. Start by melting your butter and adding in your cocoa powder. Then mix until smooth. Add this to a mixing bowl, followed by your Nutella. Mix on medium speed. Then gradually, in stages, add your icing sugar and milk, mixing well with each addition. Use enough icing sugar and milk until you have a fluffy chocolate icing. Don't forget to scrape the sides of the bowl to get those unmixed bits. Now to assemble the cake. This dollop of icing helps to prevent the sponge from sliding. To get that smooth finish, you can use a palette knife that has been dipped in hot water and the excess water wiped off. Once your cake is ready, you can place it in the refrigerator while preparing the garnishes. For the hazelnut garnish, toast the hazelnuts in a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. Then, once the nuts have cooled down, remove the skins and roughly chop. Sprinkle edible gold dust over the chopped hazelnuts and then mix. For the gold Ferrero Rocher garnish, roll 8 Ferreros in edible gold dust. For the ganache, bring double cream to the boil, remove from heat and add the dark chocolate. Mix until smooth. We will use this to create the drip effect on the cake. Let the ganache cool down to about body temperature before using. Create the drip effect either by using a spoon or piping on the ganache. Once the ganache has set, pipe on rosettes using any remaining chocolate icing. Place on the gold dusted Ferreros and finish off with a golden hazelnut border. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. I look forward to seeing you next week.